Welcome to Heartbeat AI. Let's take a quick tour of your new energy management tool. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on the app icon on your device's home screen to open Heartbeat AI. You will then be greeted by the login screen. Enter your username and password using the credentials you created during registration. If you ever misplace your password, the Forgot Password button will send a reset link directly to your email. When you're ready, tap the Login button below. Once you have logged in, you'll see the Live Prices page. Here, you can monitor the current electricity import price in green. And if you tap this arrow or swipe left, you can monitor the current solar export price in yellow. If you have a controlled load, you will also see a third price. At the top right, you'll find an information and a question mark icon. Tapping on the information icon opens a page that includes a brief overview of Heartbeat AI, 1K5 Care, which is our post-installation support program. It also provides you with links to access further resources if required. Please note that these links will open web pages outside of the Heartbeat AI app. Tapping on the question mark icon will reveal a detailed overview of how to read the information in the Import/Export section of this page. You will find similar question mark icons throughout the app. Click on them at any time to reveal detailed explanations of nearby elements. In the Summary section, you will find a brief overview of what these prices mean for your system. At the bottom of the page, in the 30-minute forecast section, you can monitor the current import and export pricing in 30-minute blocks. Click on the question mark icon to the right for a detailed explanation on how this section works. Swipe right to see summaries of past prices, or swipe left to view future price forecasts. For a deeper dive, tap the current 30-minute price box, the next future price box, or any past 30-minute price box to view detailed pricing in 5-minute increments. Click the question mark icon below the current 30-minute block for more information. If you tap on the Devices tab in the menu at the bottom of your screen, you will navigate to the Devices section of Heartbeat AI. At the very top of this section, you will see tabs for Devices, Live, and Plan. Let's take a look at each of these pages, starting with the Devices page. The Devices page lists all currently enrolled devices that you have connected to your system and what their current status is. If no devices are currently connected, or if you click on the Add Another Device button, you will be taken to the Let's Talk Devices screen. Here you have a couple of options. You can add a device, and this takes you through a step-by-step guide to enroll a device that is currently a part of your system. I'd like to add here that we will have enrolled any 1K5 devices into your system, so this is only required if you have an additional solar system. The next option is Thinking About Buying. This takes you to the 1KOMMA5 website, where you can find information on new energy products and request a quote. Once enrolled, tapping on your devices in this list will take you to the Live page, which we will now look at in great detail. You can also navigate to the Live page by tapping on the Live tab at the top of the screen. The Live page provides a real-time overview of your energy ecosystem. At the very top, you will see a brief summary of your system's status. The 3 information chips directly below let you quickly see your current battery charge percentage, the current price of electricity, and the amount of renewables currently in the grid. Click the question mark icon to the right for a detailed overview explaining how to read each of the elements below. Here you can see exactly where your solar energy is going, whether it's powering your home, being sold to the grid, or charging your battery. This view also tracks your daily usage costs and total energy flows between your household and the grid. At the bottom of both the Live and the Plan page, there is an option to click on Heartbeat AI Settings. This will take you to your system's device settings. There, you are able to choose your automation strategy, enable or disable automated solar curtailment, set your battery's minimum reserve level, and add another device to your system. If you swipe left or tap on the Plan tab at the top of the screen, you navigate to the Plan page. This page highlights how Heartbeat AI automates your energy. It shows your current mode, like self-consumption, and if you have Show Automation checked, swiping left on this notification will reveal if Heartbeat AI has any future automation planned, such as exporting energy later in the day when prices are high. Conversely, swiping right will show you any past automations that have occurred. The graph below charts electricity prices alongside expected solar and load. Tap here to toggle between the import and export prices. You can also tap here to hide and reveal your solar data on the graph. Tap on the chart legend for an explanation of what each of the lines and colors on the graph represent. Need manual control? The Control My Battery area allows you to charge, discharge, or preserve energy for set duration. Just keep in mind it can take 5 to 10 minutes for your hardware to respond to these manual commands. By tapping the question mark icon at the top, you can access a detailed overview explaining how to read each of the elements on this page. To review your history, tap on the Usage tab in the menu at the bottom of the screen. This page displays your meter readings for grid imports and exports. It doesn't show your self-consumed solar or the battery energy that you've used within your home, only the energy that you have bought from or sold to the grid. If you scroll down, you can view detailed daily usage and solar impact. Tapping on the Bills tab in the bottom menu opens a screen that shows your detailed billing history. This allows you to download past bills, it shows the amount owing, and by clicking on Payment Options, you can make an immediate BPay payment or set up a Smooth Pay payment plan. Finally, if you tap on the Settings tab in the bottom menu, you can view and edit your account details, manage your account, view and update payment options, customize notification alerts for specific price levels, view the frequently asked questions, and check for app updates. This concludes our Heartbeat AI app walkthrough. If you have any further questions, contact 1,5 or visit our support page. We hope you enjoy managing your new energy with Heartbeat AI.